pinindot ko na yung control F, then type masturbation / self-pleasure. Kasi kung susundin daw ang international standard, of which wala namang sinabi kung anong international standard ang sinasabi. From the West daw pa nga. Pero as we can clearly see, nauuna ang DepEd sa pag-guide ng school curriculum para sa CSE. They get to decide it, not international standards. They won't blindly choose or they won't blindly include everything na nasa CSE ng ibang ng international standards ng UNESCO to your students, to your children. Because as I said, and I kind of agree with Maria Lourdes Sereno that we should have a kind of bubble on our culture. She did not say that, pero as she said, it was incompatible with the culture of the Philippines, yung CSE ng West. So maybe we can kind of, basta yung i-adapt mo sa settings and culture na gusto nating i-promote sa Pilipinas. This doesn't promote sex sa mga mag-aaral, bagkus naglalagay ng framework at mekanismo para sa mga kabataan. Gusto lang nitong tanggalin ang stigma, lalo na sa mga nangangailangan ng tulong when it comes to education on contraception, sexuality, and age and development appropriate topics including human sexuality, not sex, consent, adolescent reproductive health, effective contraception use, and not the promotion of the use of contraception. Kumbaga pinapakita lang kung paano if you would want to do so, especially when you are not educated with this kind of stuff and you have no outlet except the internet. So it is better for the students to learn it from their teachers, their trusted teachers. Now I know maraming teachers na kung ano-anong ginagawa, but that's besides the point. That's another thing to add to the burden. It's all about destigmatizing cultural ambience sa mga ganitong topic. Walang sinabi rito na makipag-sex ka, ganito, ganyan. Or ganito makipag-sex, ipapasok mo.